XRP holders, let's talk about what is going on today with XRP. Currently, XRP's volume has kind of stayed pretty steady. It looks like here on the 1 hour chart, we're starting to see that trend break again. We had seen that trend break here. We've seen a nice little run, kind of that M shape, double top, as I spoke about in my previous video. We had kind of rejected it, and then we started to kind of see some movement here again. Once we kind of see this movement, I think that we're going to see more likely going back to that $27 range. With that being said, if we take a look at that 4 hour chart, you can kind of see how that M shape was playing out. So there's a possibility that whenever we hit around this level, there's going to be a massive support and resistance line for us. Currently, our main resistance is going to be that $24. But what we're going to have to see here is breaking around to this $20 and holding above it. We're having consolidation within the last 24 hours. When the market opened today, we did see some volume, but we have seen a massive pullback as well, such as around 3 to 4% gain, as that is going to show some momentum here. But overall, support and resistance lines are definitely something that we have to take a look at. As you can see here, we got massive resistance here right around that $16 and also the $14 range. Around these areas are going to be key points for us to have to follow and look at. Currently right now on the buy signal as well, along with the sell signals, you can kind of see how XRP has been trending on a shorter time frame. If we come here and look at a 30-minute chart on XRP, you can see how that double top played out nicely, hit about right there, and we continue to see some movement after that. We was hoping that it would go into the 4 hour so we'd have more movement on the upside, but it kind of faked us out, only going to around the 30-minute to 1 hour time frames. So now I'm starting to form a bullish pennant. If we do start to try to form that here, there's a possibility that $27 is going to be very easy to reach, and we break that resistance here. But if we take a look at the 4 hour, the 4 hour is not giving us a lot of information. We did see a little bit of a pullback here, and that was just around 3% in around 20 hours. But the overall market is currently pretty much staying pretty much the same, consolidating within the last 24 hours, not really seeing much movement besides Bitcoin and Ethereum. Even Ethereum, though, today is down 1.77%. Ethereum Classic down 2%, with Crowcoin down 2%. We've not seen a lot of big movement into cryptos today, and I did expect that whenever we started to kind of open up today once we had seen that movement. But another thing I want to talk about here, a cup and handle pattern. There's possibility we'll be getting there as well. That cup and handle pattern could send us back to that $27 very quickly. That cup and handle pattern is probably going to take another 24 to 48 hours to get confirmation. Once we get that confirmation, we're going to see it kind of break through. If it breaks through this trend here, right around that $18 range on the 4 hour, I'm expecting that we're going to push back up to that $27, if not going any higher than that, when we have some FOMO and emotional traders kind of hop into the trade. Remember, guys, I am not a financial advisor. It's just entertainment purposes only. Make sure you do your due diligence. Hit that like button and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think down below as well. Make sure you do come out and check out the Patreon. The Patreon is a good group to join. You can get in for just $1 a day. You can get the Trading View indicator, which gives you support and resistance lines every day on any stock or crypto that you want. Also, along with trend lines, Fibonacci, buy and sell signals, and multiple more indicators all into one. It's not just a buy and sell indicator. It has everything you pretty much need and can tweak with it. And that can save you a Trading View prescription. So XRP is currently seeing volume right around 9.5 billion, just around $2 billion more dollars than we've seen yesterday. I expect volume to continue to kind of rise on XRP, definitely as we get through the week here. Once we see some movement, that is when a lot of people will hop in, and that's usually when the FOMO kind of comes in with it. Typical hold time is 85 days with an all-time high, $3.84. Popularity is still number 6 on Coinbase with a market cap of $64.2 billion, similar to how it was yesterday. If you would have gotten XRP this time last year, you would have made around 78% profit so far, so there's still potential movement that could be coming with XRP. If you take a look at the weekly time frame, you can kind of see the volume of volatility. You can see that XRP had dropped within 77 days back in 2021, pretty much steady decline, dropped around 65%. You see it here again, 42 days, 26%, and you see it here again, 53% drop. That is going to be after some movement on the upside along with downside. So you can see how in the past the volatility of XRP can, have good strength coming up. good strength pulling back, and you're going to see big moves. Even right here, you can see on the weekly time frame, this made a double top. That is that M shape that we had recently seen on the 30-minute and 1 hour time frames, and that was back in 2021. We're following a similar pattern. Even if you take a look back in 2023, we had dropped around 40% in 63 days. There's a possibility we start to kind of see a pullback on XRP, but I'm expecting that this 4 hour is going to play out as a cup and handle. This plays out as a cup and handle. I do expect that we're going to break through that $1.27, attempting to go to that $1.50 range. It always is going to be dependent on the overall market as well. Once we start to see the market kind of climb back up, like I said earlier, the emotional traders and FOMO kicks in. That's where we start to see a lot of volume and more day traders and swing traders start moving money around. If you do like this type of content, hit that like button and subscribe. Let me know down below. Join that Patreon. Thank you guys.